Hello, I'm Alex, and I'm 5. So we're gonna build a Formula 1 car. Let's build it. This way, I think we have to push. Okay. Here, and here. Now, make sure you put this right way. This way. It's finished. Okay, this is how it looks. The front, the side, the back, the other side. Okay. At the back, there's a light. Red light, a spoiler. I don't know why I did that, but it's nice. This is the middle and the front. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom. At the bottom, here it is. Let's take a look at the wheels. The wheels spin really fast. Wow. In the wheels there are some hubcaps made of Technic. Those Technic pieces are hubcaps. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the driver of the previous set, Ferrari, and put the driver into this car. Let's take a look how it looks with the minifigure inside. The front, the side, the back, the other side. Okay, this is how the car looks. It's very cool. It's a very cool set. I built it myself. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.